Hello
and welcome to AMZ Web TV. Can you imagine a workshop without lifts? I can't. Without them, ergonomic and economical work on cars is almost unthinkable. There is now such a wide range of different types and varieties of lift that there is a suitable lift for every application. Today, together with MAHA's lift specialists, we're going to show you the advantages and disadvantages of the individual systems so that you can make the right decision on upcoming investments. Mr. Feldmeyer, post lifts are among the classics of lift engineering. Why are they so popular and where can they best be deployed? Two-post lifts are suitable for all vehicle servicing and repair work. They're inexpensive and don't need any foundation work. The only thing that needs to be taken into account during mounting is a suitable floor slab. Two-post lifts can be deployed very flexibly and are suitable for lifting all types of vehicle, from the smallest passenger cars to SUVs and long wheelbase vans. The two most common designs are the electromechanical two-post lift with a spindle drive and the electro-hydraulic two-post lift. The advantage of the electro-hydraulic variety is its low energy consumption and maintenance costs, as well as its ruggedness against external environmental influences. In contrast to conventional hydraulic two-post lifts, we at MAHA use HL3 type two-post lifts with a load of 4 to 5 tons on the crossbar above between the posts. This ensures that the lifting height is not restricted on high vehicles such as vans. Thanks to its very low post height, our brand new electro-hydraulic belt lift model can be used in small spaces. The low post height is possible using the so-called forklift principle. In contrast to the competition, we don't use any so-called flyer chains, but instead use a long-life, maintenance-free flat belt from state-of-the-art drive engineering. When deciding on a variety of lift, we at MAHA above all recommend keeping a sufficient load in mind. It's also important that the support arms have a large adjusting range so that all of the vehicle's lifting points can be safely reached. Scissors lifts are also in the category of above-floor technology. What are the advantages of these? Scissors lifts with drive-on platforms are ideally suited to repairs, wheel alignment, and vehicle testing. Scissors lifts need less room in comparison with four-post lifts and can be surface or flush mounted, depending on requirements. In the case of flush mounting, the working area is shortened by the length of the loading ramp and low-lying vehicles can be driven on without difficulty. All MAHA scissors lifts with drive-on platforms have a lifting height of over 2 meters. This makes them fundamentally suitable for installation in the strip foundation. Our new MSL 4.0 model offers a drive-on height of only 180 millimeters, making it extremely suitable for above-floor installation. In the case of low-lying vehicles, our Duo GN can be hydraulically inclined for easy access to the drive-on platforms. The length of the MAHA Twin F3 double scissors lifts support plates can be continuously expanded. It's therefore easier to reach the lifting points without having to shift the vehicle. When deciding on a scissors lift, you should pay attention to the appropriate load and drive-on platforms. Furthermore, if the scissors lift is mounted on the floor, attention should be paid to the low drive-on height. A short lifting and lowering time is particularly necessary for testing organizations with high vehicle throughput. With double scissors lifts, attention should be paid to the low drive-over height and a sufficient adjusting range for the support plates. The Twin F3 by MAHA beats all of the competition in this area with a maximum extended length of 2.1 meters. Mr. Zeliger, underfloor lifts are in the top level of lifting technology. Why are increasingly more businesses deciding on this option? With underfloor lifts, you get the perfect workspace. The important working areas, such as the engine compartment, the front area, and the fenders, are completely accessible. The area under the vehicle is also flush. You can work on the vehicle with the doors completely open, which is a real advantage for interior repair work. All components not necessary for lifting are stored underground. Only the cylinders with various supports are above the floor. The vehicles practically float. Underfloor lifts are easy to access. Flat supports can be driven over on an incline. Thanks to the low loading radii, minimal space is needed for maneuvering, and more workspace can be realized on the given area. One of MAHA's smart solutions is our new square lift. In order to make this more stable, we've turned the cylinders 45 degrees. This means that stability is increased further as squares' long diagonals lie in the direction of the vehicle. What types of vehicles are to be lifted and what work is to be carried out is always crucial in choosing a lift. MAHA has a very wide selection available to this end. Other deciding factors are the available space, the condition of the floor, and the legal options for carrying out foundation work. Not every vehicle can be lifted easily. What do mechanics have to be aware of to ensure that they can work safely on vehicles? Mechanics should use the lifting points stipulated by the vehicle manufacturer and a suitable means of lifting as a matter of principle. We at MAHA offer a large selection of suitable specialist means of lifting for lifting all vehicles safely. Lifts are long-term investments and the most important tools for professional car repair. We therefore recommend that you only use quality products. We offer our customers all over the world a one-stop shop for everything related to lifting technology, from planning to realization and reliable servicing. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for your interesting answers. And a big thanks to you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. I hope that we've been able to provide some valuable input for choosing lifts. You can find out more information at amz.de/maha-hebettechnik.